Guys, have you seen the news? Did the world run out of chicken nuggets? Chuck, why would the world run out of chicken nuggets? I don't know. Anyways, Bob, what was on the news? There is a murderer on the loose, and we better stay inside, or we might go to the shadow realm. I'll go lock the doors, block all the windows, and all that stuff. Hey, Red 2.0, have you seen the news? Oh, hi, Toucan. And yes, I have seen the news, but don't worry, I locked all the doors in my house. Well, that's good. Anyways, I'll call you later. Bye. Wait, guys, I checked the news again. What was it? There's actually not a murderer on the loose. Wait, what? Yeah, we're actually just playing Among Us. So there's still chicken nuggets? Yes, of course there's still chicken nuggets. What do you expect? Anyways, where do we go to play Among Us? We just have to invite some friends. 15. So we need 10 more. Well, Red 2.0 is already here. Whatever, let's just start. Once everybody gets here. Looks like everybody's here. I guess we better get started. Alright, let's move out. Hey Chuck, what? Did you get the imposter? I did. I heard you. What? No, we didn't. We were talking about chicken nuggets. Yeah, chicken nuggets. You love barbecue sauce? I actually do. I want to hear more. Okay, my first task is look some stuff on the computer. Easy. Alright, let me start searching for some stuff. Forgot to type my password. Wait, what are you looking at, Red? I'm looking at some stuff. Oh, okay. I'll see you later. Weird. Whatever, I completed my task anyway. Alright, Chuck, this is our first victim. We have to go get him. Alright, let's do it. Hey, what's that over there? What? Bomb, that was so bad timing. Oops. Oh my god! They killed Corman Pig! Report the body right now. Oh wait, I don't know how to report. Okay, we can explain. I think it's obvious who we're gonna vote, right, guys? Yes. Looks like everyone has voted for you, Bob. Come on! Better move out, I guess. Now I gotta think. As imposter, I need to take this knife, obviously. Hey, hey, pig! Oh, what are you here? Oh, trust me, you don't know. You don't want to know what I'm gonna do. Red, what are you planning to do? Oh, he's gone. All right, now I gotta do is just walk away. Huh? Where are we? We're at the elimination place. That's weird.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Oh god, I'm stuck in a wall. I think I can break this open. Hey. Hey. You come here often? Wait, no! Man, these two imposters are so good. We have to vote someone now. I think it's Chuck. He's the most suspicious. I mean, he's the fastest one. That's believable. Well, I lost. Nope. This day cannot get possibly any worse. We had snacks, but we ate them all. Well, that's just great. I'm gonna go back to the dirt. Guys, there's still one imposter left. Right, let's go. I gotta think of this quickly. I still have my knife, so... Who can I target next? Let me go for 3 people real quick. Guys, this is the last 3. Oh no. We have to choose this quick. Alright, now think. Think. Can you stop thinking for 1 second? We only have 1 opportunity to get this right. You mean 1 last chance? Right, iceberg. You! Where have you been this whole time? I've been hanging out with some friends. Oh, really? Then why don't I see them? Oh, because they're dead. And why are they dead? Because I could. Uh-oh, I exposed myself. So you are the imposter! Oh my god, you just exposed it all to red. I tried. Whoop! Alright, V, let's check this out. Alright, here we go. My god. Guys, look at this! Yeah! We did it! We actually won! Nice. Now, we gotta go celebrate. Well, that's just great. We lost. Hey, at least we tried, okay? We've already passed the limit of the video, so roll credits. What? Let's go save Chuck.